Hello world, this is RandomFIX, and today I'm going to show you how to easily install your wheels. And this can be done for taking them off as well. It's going to be a one-person job. And the best thing about this is when you're doing it this way, you're not going to damage this dust shield here. You're not going to damage your wheel. You're not going to be sitting there getting hit in the face with a bouncing wheel. And to do this, you want to get yourself one of these wheel hangers. You could probably make one too. And let me show you guys what size it is in case you want to go that route. But this is really easy. It's just I believe this on this BMW, this is a M12 by 1.5, and it basically goes into the hub here, and now your wheel will actually hang. So if your wheel is frozen to the hub here and you're having to kick it off, and I've seen people at shops do this, and that tire just get airborne and go in all kinds of places, start breaking things, damage cars. This is such an easy fix, and a lot of people don't use it for some strange reason. It's pretty affordable. It's a pack of 8 for 30 bucks, and it works for Porsches, Ferraris, Audis, VWs, Minis. I mean, you name it, it works for all these kind of cars. So I'm going to show you how easily this can get done with these. Trying to do this is really backbreaking, especially on a larger vehicle. This is just the regular sedan, but on an X5 or a GL 450, I've done it a few times myself, and I didn't want to attempt the second wheel, so I'm going to show you guys how easy this is. Alright, let me show you guys these in action. I'm going to use 2. I just like the fact when everything lines up and I'm not scraping my wheel. I'm going to thread them both in, and I'll have a link to this in the box below. There's some kits out there that cost over 150 bucks, but this kit is amazing and it works. Now the rest of the installation is a breeze. If you don't want to scratch your wheel, put some electrical tape around there. It'll protect it. And as always, make sure you torque these wheels afterwards. Don't use any power tools. If you do use power tools, put it on the lowest setting just to go ahead and center the wheel. So much easier with this. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if this is the first time visiting the channel, please consider subscribing for more time and money saving videos just like this. And this is one tool I definitely recommend, and this is something you shouldn't be without. For safety, for back pain, ease of use, I give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. And here's a tip: these wheel hangers aren't just for installation. They're actually great for removal, so in case you got a stuck rim, you can go ahead and put this in place, and that way when you get your wheel loose, it doesn't just come flying off and smack down, hit the ground, and possibly injure you. Now you can actually take your rim off with that in place safely. Let me know if you guys have any comments. Hit the subscribe button, and I really appreciate your continued support.